Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a paid Telegram channel. To get started, the only thing you really need is a third-party platform to handle subscriptions and payments. So Patreon is a great option for this. Once that's set up, you can essentially monetize access to your Telegram content and start generating income. First, let's create the channel. In this example, we'll actually set up a new group. We'll leave the member list plan for now since entry will be strictly invitation only. Let's name it Premium and hit to create button. Now that the group is ready, head over to the settings and tap edit. Look for the group type options. By default, it might be public, so make sure to switch it to prepaid, just like I'm doing here. Next, copy the invite link. This unique link is what you'll share on your payment platform, like Patreon. When a user pays for a subscription, they'll automatically receive this link to join your prepaid community. It's a seamless way to monetize your content. You can use Patreon or any other platform of payment that works best for you. Just keep in mind that some monetization features and platforms integrations might vary or have limitations depending on your region. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.